I have decided to fight Islam. Please pay attention to my statement. To fight Islam, not the political Islam, not the militant Islam, not the radical Islam, not the Wahhabi Islam, but Islam itself. I truly believe that the West has invented these terms for the sake of being politically correct. Growing up in Syria, I have never heard but Islam. Islam has never been misunderstood. Islam is the problem, but no one is stating the truth. No one is taking a hard look at the root of the terrorism, which is the brainwashing machine called Islam. Islam is not up to me, is not up to any Muslim man or woman. Islam is exactly what the Prophet Muhammad did and said. In order to understand Islam, you have to read the biography of Muhammad. It is very traumatizing. It is very shocking. He married his second wife when she was 6 years old. He was over 50. I just came back from France. I debated with a Muslim Pakistani woman. She was the Minister of Women in Pakistan. When I told this fact to my audience, she turned to me and she said, "It is a big lie. She was 9, not 6. It sounds like when a policeman stops you because you're driving over 100 miles per hour and you turn to him and say, "It is a big lie. I was driving 90 miles per hour, not 100 miles. She was 9, not 6.